Hello, dear friends. I'm so thrilled to be with you once again today, and we'll continue our series we started a few weeks ago. We're talking about abortion slash miscarriage. If you missed the other episode, you need to go back and watch them in any of our social media handles or the YouTube channel because you can't follow this particular episode properly if you've not seen the other episodes so that you can have the proper perspective. Today, I want to talk about criminal abortion and unsafe abortion. And criminal abortion is said to have occurred when the termination of pregnancy did not meet the requisite legal requirement. So what is this requisite legal requirement? In Nigeria, termination of pregnancy that is ongoing is only allowed by law if that pregnancy threatens the life of the mother. Then that's when it is allowed medically to terminate the pregnancy. For other social or personal reasons that are not compatible with the life of the baby, that is not allowed. It's only when that pregnancy threatens the life of the mother, that is when it is legally allowed to terminate the pregnancy. But if you have other personal reasons, if you have social reasons why you don't want the pregnancy, it is illegal to terminate pregnancy. So if you terminate pregnancy, either you or the doctor connives or you work together or with other accomplices to terminate a pregnancy other than the condition I've stipulated earlier, that is criminal abortion. And there are legal implications to this. There's imprisonment attached to this. I don't want to go into those details, but you can find that out. And it is a really, really big issue if you are prosecuted and convicted in that regard. I also want to talk about unsafe abortion. What is unsafe abortion? Unsafe abortion or unsafe termination of pregnancy is when termination of pregnancy occurs by individuals who lack the requisite skills to terminate the pregnancy, or whether termination occurs in an environment that does not meet the minimal standard of safety and hygiene for the termination to occur. In that circumstance, we say an unsafe abortion has occurred. Now, unsafe abortion is quite important to us in obstetrics and gynecology because it contributes significantly to maternal deaths. It's one of the reasons why maternal mortality ratio is high. If you look at one of the top 5, top 6 causes of maternal mortality in sub-Saharan Africa, unsafe abortion always comes among the top 6, top 5 causes of maternal deaths in sub-Saharan Africa. So it's something that we have to avoid. Now, why do people commit or get involved in unsafe abortion? Because they want to terminate that pregnancy in a clandestine manner, knowing that the pregnancy termination will not meet the minimal legal requirements, knowing that the pregnancy termination is going to be criminal termination. They want to do it in a clandestine manner, so they do it in a place, in an environment that does not meet the minimal standard of hygiene, so it is unsafe. Or they use personnel who don't have the requisite skill to terminate the pregnancy, is unsafe. So let me put some more scenarios so that you understand this properly. If a trained personnel, a gynecologist, is performing a termination of pregnancy, or even any other doctor who has the skill, termination of pregnancy, in an environment that is not proper, is an unsafe abortion. A gynecologist may be terminating that pregnancy in a safe environment, but does not meet the legal requirement. It's a criminal abortion. So in that case, it's a bad thing, and there are implications to it, legal implications that will lead to imprisonment. Or if somebody who has the skill to terminate pregnancy or doesn't have the skill to terminate pregnancy is doing it in a safe environment, is also a criminal abortion if it does not meet the legal requirement for legal termination of pregnancy to occur, which I've stated earlier in this discussion. So in a nutshell, two aspects of termination of pregnancy that concerns us. One is criminal abortion because there are legal implications to it. People can be imprisoned for it. Second is unsafe abortion because it can lead to obstetric outcome and gynecological outcome that are very poor, which includes maternal mortality or maternal morbidity. Some people even develop infertility in future because of previous termination of pregnancy that is unsafe. So unsafe abortion, unsafe termination of pregnancy can increase maternal morbidity and maternal mortality, can increase complications in future pregnancy. It can lead to infertility in some cases. So these are the things we need to discourage and avoid. when termination of pregnancy also occurs without meeting the minimum legal requirement for termination to occur, it's a criminal abortion. There are legal implications to it that can lead to imprisonment. Both unsafe and criminal abortion can lead to imprisonment. So beware. Till we meet next time to continue our discussion. Bye.